my simple affiliate sales funnel behind the scenes. I'm CoachAde. Let me open the back end. Step 1, traffic source, YouTube videos. Every funnel starts with traffic, and for me, that traffic comes from YouTube. My videos are not just content, they are my digital billboards. Each video I post brings in people already interested in what I teach, and that's the first step to sales. Why YouTube works best? YouTube traffic is search-based and long-lasting. A single video can keep generating leads months after upload. So, for you, you should focus on videos that solve real problems. For instance, tutorials, reviews, or simple how-to clips. And a call to action that looks like link in bio or the free resource guiding views straight forward into your funnel. Remember, don't chase viral views. Instead, chase targeted ones. 1,000 focused viewers who want your solutions are worth more than 10,000 random clicks. Your YouTube videos are your funnel's top door. Therefore, keep it clean, helpful, and open. Step 2, landing page to email to offer. The art of my funnel. Once people click my link, they land on my bridge page. That is my chance to build trust consistently. I always keep simple, headline, short promises, and one call to action to get my freebie or resources. Capturing and nurturing. When they sign up, they enter my email list. That's where the real relationship begins. Through automated emails that delivers value and introduce my main offer naturally. Every email should educate, inspire, or equip them to take the next steps. Think of this stage as your bridge from interest to income. People don't buy on first contact, they buy after connection. Your landing page and emails together warm them up for the offer that fits their need. Then step number 3, automation and follow-up. Automation is the secret that lets your funnel work even when you are asleep. Instead of manually replying or resending links, your system automatically follows up with everyone who signs up. What happens in a good follow-up? The system sends pre-written emails or messages regularly, educating and offering more value. You can segment audience, that is, people who click or people who didn't, and tailor your next steps. This keeps your communication consistent and personal without stress. Follow-ups are where most sales happen. People rarely buy the first time they seize an offer. With automation tools like System.io or GetResponse, you build a real relationship over time, turning interest into income. That's how a simple funnel becomes a smart business system. Grab my free template below to build yours. Subscribe to this channel. Click the link below for my step-to-step guide. See you in the next video.